Manipur University da Korean language tamliba Maheiroi singi pukning thogatpo oina Senhan Bank na Chahi Khuding gi Piraga Lakpa scholarship Kumsi Chahi gi oina ngasi Maheiroi kuntra di Yenthokkhre Manipur University gi Department of Foreign Languages da scholarship Yenthokpaga mari leinana pangthokpa thoram amada department asigi visiting professor HUYNKYUNG Lee MU gi School of Humanities gi Dean Professor S Imoba amadi Department of Foreign Languages gi head Dr. Ahanthem Romitana Presidium members sing oina sarukyaki Korean South Korea the base toba Senhan Bank ki overseas scholarship project ki saruk amo oina kumjali singani kundagi Manipur University da Korean language tamliba Maheiroi singi damak lupa lakh ahum gi senfam kaitheraga lakhi bane hairiba scholarship asi semester exam da fangba mark ki matung ina chahi khuding gi khangatlaba Maheiroi kuntra da scholarship oina lupa lising tara gi senfam piraga lakh bane thoram aduga mari leinana MU gi Department of Foreign Languages ki visiting professor HUYNKYUNG na hai University asida Korean language tamliba Maheiroi singi tuition fee menkhatnaba amadi makhoida pukning thogatpo oina Senhan Bank na scholarship asipi bani asigumba scholarship fanglaba Maheiroi shingna Korean language ki undergraduate natraga master program LOIRABA matung Korea gi company amade bank sing da THABAK TOUBAGI KHUDONG CHABA amasu PIRI University asida Korean language tamliba postgraduate ki Maheiroi ani dasu Korean Foundation na lupa lakh ama gi sent from scholarship oina piba laikre University asida Korean language tamliba Maheiroi singda ahenba scholarship pinabagi damak India da leiba Korean company karasu recruit tawna hotnari aikoi gi pandamdi department asida mahai tamliba Maheiroi Marifurom Korea gi company singda THABAK tawhanba amade makhoi gi apamba matung ina Korea da chatuna makha taba mahai tamhanaba hotnabada mateng pangbani department asidagi pass tawkiba Maheiroi khara India da leiba Korea gi bank amasung company singda THABAK tawba laikre haina su mahakna makha tana phongdoki
Senhan Bank give the 3 lakh scholarship for our students every year. It will be helpful for our students, the tuition fee for recovering. Also, based on this scholarship, student can get the job opportunity from the Korean company also. This year, except this Senhan Bank scholarship, 2 students got the Korea Foundation scholarship. That is 1 lakh to each student. Also, we are recruiting another scholarship from the Korean small and medium-sized enterprise in Delhi NCR. Our department, we have a teaching goal. More than 80 students to get a job from the Korean company or to go to the Korea for their further study. After the graduate, we have the first graduate students in this year. 1 student got the Korean government scholarship, and then now the 5 students get a job from the Korean company. So after the BA program or MA program, more than 80 students, we try to give the job from the Korean company.